Hello guys and welcome. My name is Baljeetkaur. You are watching English Class YouTube channel. Today in this video we're going to learn about the pronunciation of this word. This is breakfast. Most of the people pronounce it as breakfast, which is wrong. The actual pronunciation of this word is breakfast. Breakfast. Alright? Now, let us know about the meaning of this word. I suppose you already know it, that breakfast is the first meal of the day. And in Hindi language, we call it nashta. Nashta या दिन का पहला भोजन. Alright? Thank you so much for watching it. Subscribe for more videos. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any kind of queries, just ask me in the comment box below. Thank you. Bye.